Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Ashana B and I am back with a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying to detox my locks for the first time using baking soda. And then I have some ACV in this cup. I didn't bring the bottle inside of my bathroom because I just hate bringing kitchen appliances and stuff like that in the restroom. Like, I just feel like that's not right. So yeah, I just went ahead and put it in a cup, but let me show you guys how the water and stuff looks. So this is how the water is looking. It does look dark, but it's not dark, you guys. That's just, or it looks dirty, but it's not dirty. That is just ACV. And then, you know, went ahead, add a little bit more of the baking soda into there, and I'm just gonna soak my head in this, y'all, for a little bit. My hair does feel pretty dirty, so hopefully, you know, it gets it clean, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so you guys, I let my hair sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, I believe. I don't think I needed to leave it in longer because I don't think my hair was that dirty. It was dirty, but I don't think like it was like over the top dirty. So I guess leave your hair in there as long as you feel you need to until, you know, your locks are very squeaky clean. But I'm gonna just show y'all how this water is looking because I can't believe that much dirt was in my head. So this is how the water is looking, you guys. Like, the water was a little brown before, but now you can really see, like, you can't really see anything. You can't even see the, you know, the drainage area of my sink. Like, that's mad crazy. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing this more often to my hair. Probably like once every 2 to 3 months because I really don't mess with my hair that much. Yeah, like once every 2 to 3 months just to give my hair a good clean because I really did not know my hair was that dirty. Like, that's crazy. And I really like it. It doesn't have my hair feeling like dry or stripped or anything like that. Yeah, it feels refreshing. My scalp don't feel too bad. Scalp look pretty clean to me, which is good because I had like bad, horrible dandruff from the Luck Pedal Bun style. So I am very satisfied actually and shocked by this. Like, that much dirt has never even came out of my head as a loose natural. So like, wow, I can't believe that. So I know the hair finna be bomb because y'all know I'm finna style it, but I'm gonna go ahead and style it off camera today, you guys. It is late at night. Y'all know I've been doing my videos at night because that's when my son is asleep and I don't have to run around. You know, I can pay attention to my son when it's time and I can do my recording when it's time. So yes, I'm finna record. I mean, not record, I'm finna style my hair off camera so, you know, I can be quick and you guys can catch some Z's because I have a few business things to do tomorrow, which I'm so excited about, and I probably will tell y'all soon. But I just don't want to spill no tea yet. But yeah, I am so excited about this. I know that a lot of people use lemon as well, but I just thought about the idea like literally today and it was late. So I ain't got no lemon at the crib. So, you know, I have to make do with what I have. I keep ACV and I keep baking soda because you know you gotta have baking soda in the fridge anyway. So yes, I definitely love this. I'm gonna be doing this a lot. So I definitely recommend this for locks or, you know, lock beginners like myself. But thank you guys for watching. I know this is a short video, random short video, but I just want to really try it out. So I hope this inspired y'all to try it out as well if you're going through your lock journey or if you're already locked. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and your girl is out.